Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in again to Greg Express Travels. Let me show you how to make a southern breakfast. First, we start by frying some fresh sausage. This sausage has sage in it. You can also buy sausage that's mild or it's a bit hot. I like the sage flavor. Then you want to try to make some gravy. Now it's really simple. Gravy is milk, flour, and a little bit of sausage grease. And you can see here I tried to make it, but it didn't quite turn out right. So I gave it a second try in a smaller pot, and it seemed like it worked a little bit better. I'm just stirring it here just to make sure I get the right consistency. You want to make sure that it's not real runny, but you want to make sure it's a little bit thick. So I believe I got it right the second attempt. I didn't want to give up so easily. So there we go. Yeah, I got it right this time on the second attempt. So yay, we're ready to make our gravy biscuit here shortly. All right, the next step is to scramble some eggs. Nothing too complicated here, just some eggs with some butter in the pan and then salt and pepper to taste. Here we have some of these flaky honey butter biscuits. It's a canned biscuit that Pillsbury offers. I don't get the store brand because I don't feel it has that same flakiness. And then I'm also going to add some strawberry preserves. This I got from Buc-ee's when I was visiting the Buc-ee's store. They make a biscuit taste super good. But here we have the final product, a sausage and egg biscuit. You also see in the background a Singapore cup, just for a little sense of humor there. Singapore is a fine city. And finally, here is how we assemble a gravy biscuit. We open it up, and then we pour a generous amount of the sausage gravy on top. And boy, when you do that, you've got a lot of flavor here in that sausage gravy. It tastes simply awesome. Well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing my little southern breakfast here with a sausage and egg biscuit and a gravy biscuit. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.